Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notification.
Okay guys, how are you doing? I hope you're doing well. Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to install CMake in Windows, right? So let me do a simple command here in cmd CMake, then a version, right? You can see no module named CMake, right? So what do we need to do? What we need to do is to install CMake, right? So here I'll go to install CMake in Windows. But the first thing is to make sure that we download CMake from Softpedia, right? So here there is a link to Softpedia. So this is a link to Softpedia. You can download a x64-bit, right? So here I have already downloaded CMake, this one. This is the setup. So I just click on it to install, then run, right? Then after I click next, accept, then next. Do not add CMake to the system path for all users. Then create CMake desktop icon, then click next. So this is a path of CMake, then click next, install. So installation of CMake is on a progress, right? So we can come here in a local disk C, then program files. We must find CMake folder after the installation is complete, right? So let's wait for an installation. But after the installation is complete, what we need to do is to add CMake path to the system variables, right? So how can we add CMake to the system environment? So this PC, click, then go to properties, then after click advanced setting, then after click edit variables, then this is the system variables. We need to find the path. After that, edit, then after we need to add CMake path, right? So here, where is CMake? Program files. So let's wait. Let's wait for CMake to complete. But this is the path we need to add it into a system variables, right? So finish. Okay, program files, then we need to add CMake. So new, then I paste this CMake bin, right? Okay, okay, then okay. After that we can try to run a CMake command once again, right? So CMake version, Now we can see CMake version is 3.18.4. So actually that is an end of our tutorial on how to install CMake in Windows. Just to put a short summary of what we have learned. We have learned how to install CMake in Windows. Actually we had about 3 steps. Step number 1 was to download CMake. Step number 2 was to install CMake, and step number 3 was adding CMake path to the environment variables of our operating system. So actually that is an end of our tutorial. Just to put short summary of what just that is an end of our tutorial. Do not forget to like, put comment, share and subscribe for next videos update. Thank you and see you in the next tutorials.
Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notification.